Hello everyone and welcome to Thee Live. My name's Ali. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today is a super exciting extra special stream for you. So we are going to be unboxing live the brand new iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So what is super exciting about these devices is they are both brand new sizes from Apple and they have amazing spec. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the fantastic spec of these devices and unbox them because that's what you guys want to see. So if you do want to get your hands on these, maybe you don't want to wait, maybe you don't want to see them, you just want to get them right now, then you can head over to our website. There's a link below and you can check that out. You can check out all the pricing for these and the other ones in the range as well. So we've got some amazing offers right now. So the kind of similarities we'll talk about first of all for both of them. So as much as there are a lot of differences, there's also a lot of similarities. So they're both 5G handsets, which is a first from Apple, super exciting. They both have amazing displays, however they are obviously very different sizes. So display wise, they both have an OLED display and it's a Retina XDR display, which is fantastic. So that's going to look amazing if you guys are watching YouTube or Facebook Live videos. Maybe you're watching Netflix, or you're streaming, or you're scrolling on social media, or you're gaming. Any of those things, it's going to look absolutely amazing on a Retina XDR display. It's going to give you really vibrant colours and true blacks, which gives you a really deep, inky, dark tones on your device. So the sizes are slightly different of these. Both of them do have that amazing display, but just obviously very different sizing. So the iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4 inch display, so obviously quite a bit smaller, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the 6.7 inch display, so obviously quite a lot bigger, and actually the biggest display that we've seen from Apple before, so really exciting. Now there's quite a massive size difference because they do have the kind of edge to edge display that we've seen from the previous model, so there's no bezels or anything on there, so they can fit quite a lot in a small size. So as much as this mini size is slightly larger display wise, it's actually much smaller than like the iPhone SE, which is really cool for any of you guys that are looking for a slightly more compact version. Now the other kind of main features they've got is the durability of them. They have this new ceramic shield technology, which if you guys are clumsy like I am, then it's going to give you that little peace of mind that they are a bit more durable, a bit sturdier, and they're going to be less likely to get damaged. As well as that, you've got your IP68 rating, which is fantastic if you guys are looking for something with a kind of water resistancy level. So really great features on there. Then you also have the brand new MagSafe technology that's been introduced as well, so that gives you the opportunity to use different accessories such as a wireless charger, or maybe like an add-on like a wallet onto the back of your phone or anything like that. So that's also another really amazing feature of the device. So they also have fantastic camera, which we'll get to demoing, and they both have amazing battery life. It actually fast charge is fantastic. It charges up to 50% in only 30 minutes, which is amazing. So any of you last minute people like I am, you can charge your phone up super fast, and it's not going to take too much time at all. So colour wise, there's quite a wide variety of colours this time. So you've got 5 colours on the iPhone 12 mini. So we have the mint, we've got black, we've got the brand new Pacific blue colour, which was introduced this year. We have the product red, which a portion of the proceeds go to the Global Fund for HIV and AIDS, and we've got the white colour as well. So it's the red that we have in the studio, which is what I'm going to be demoing. And for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we have 4 colour variants. So we have the gold colour, which is what I have in the studio, and actually the colour that I chose for myself. We have the Pacific blue again, we've got the silver colour, and the new graphite colour, which is the kind of replacement for space grey, any of you guys that love the grey tones. So really amazing device, kind of colour payoff, and we're going to get to unboxing and talking about the camera. So, you have your classic kind of pull off design, and the box features are slightly different this time, so you'll see it's quite a shallow box, and that's to do with the content, so we'll talk about that. Now we'll do the mini first. So on the back you can see it does have that dual 12 megapixel camera. It's got that nice red glass back, so it is a shiny glass back this time. It's got the metal round the sides, and then we've got our, that's my favourite part, our 5.4 inch display, the Retina XDR display. So let's let that switch on. Pop that back in. So in the box you can see here we've got our little booklet that has stickers. It's got your SIM pin and then your fast charger. So this is the USB-C to lightning charger. And here you've got a little like hint of red you can see there, and that's because it's a special edition product red. So let's slide that off to the side. Oof. And let's talk about the Pro Max. So let's move this off to the side and we'll unbox this guy here. So you can see we've got the triple camera on the back of this. So triple 12 megapixel camera with the addition this time, standard, telephoto and ultra wide, and the LiDAR sensor, which we will get to. That's for depth, so it gives you a really good idea of foreground and background. And then let's peel this off. This is the 6.7 inch display this time. Absolutely stunning. Now it does actually seem super big. I have had the max size before, and it is only ever so slightly bigger. Like it's only 6.7 instead of 6.5, so it's not that much bigger, but it does seem quite a lot larger, just because the screen does kind of go a little bit further out. So some really amazing design on both of these. You can see if I swipe up, super fast to open, and that's on both. Now that is to do with the A14 processor chip. It makes everything super quick. It's great for your apps, and Face ID is super fast on it as well. So that's those amazing Retina XDR displays. Now let's talk a bit about the camera. So the kind of main differences with camera and things, you've got your night mode, which is available on both. We've got that extra lens on the Pro Max, but also the LiDAR sensor. So if you guys don't really know what the LiDAR sensor does, then this is a really good demo to show you. Now this is a really good demo of depth of field. So this kind of shows you in the 12 mini, it's a fantastic picture. It really does look great. The pattern really shows super vibrant. It's really crisp and clear. But on the 12 Pro Max, you can see on the back, just at the top of the image, it's a little bit blurry. It shows like the foreground and background a little bit better, and it really does use the LiDAR sensor to kind of get that amazing result. So I think it's pretty obvious, obviously, that the Pro Max is a little bit clearer, a little bit better camera wise, but you would kind of expect that because there is a bit of a price jump between them. So next up we've got the 12 mini showing optical zoom at 2 times, and we've got the 12 Pro Max which is showing optical zoom at 5 times. So these are both optical zoom. You still get your digital zoom on top of that, but you can see just how crisp and clear the image is even when it's zoomed right in at 5 times optical zoom. So that's an amazing demo of that. I think you don't really get too much image degradation with it as well. It's looking quite crisp, still quite clear, and I think it does a really good job. Obviously it's Glasgow lighting, it's not always the best, so I think it performs really well even in kind of low light too. So next up we've got a really cool thing to show you, and that is on video. So both of these record in 4K, and they both have Dolby Vision added on as well, which is a first for a smartphone, which is fantastic. Now the iPhone 12 mini has Dolby Vision at 30 frames per second, and the 12 Pro Max has it at 60 frames per second. Both of these are filmed in 4K, so they are amazing quality, but just have a look at this optical image stabilization comparison. So you'll see on the right hand side, the 12 Pro Max is just a little bit smoother. And see, to be honest with you, like that is super nice. I think this would be great if you guys are content creators, and you can edit, you can shoot the film right from your phone, and you can upload it all from the one device. I think the 12 mini does perform really well, but you can see it when we turn, you can really see like that image stabilization. That's a mouthful to can it really compare them at the kind of turning point when you do get that slightly more like shaky hand. So I think they both do perform really well. Obviously on the 12 Pro Max it is looking a little bit better, and that's to do with that sensor again. So instead of the lens moving to accommodate, it's actually the sensor, which just makes it a little bit smoother and stops it looking that kind of like, oh, is it going to focus type thing. So both do a really great job. Now for me, I think the optical image stabilization is a massive plus, but it's not for everyone. Like if you are looking for something a little bit kind of more lower price point, then definitely go for the 12 mini. I think it's a great opportunity to get flagship features for a slightly lower price. And if you do want to go for any of these devices, go to the links down below and you can get your hands on them too, just like I am. Let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking. What do you want to go for? What are you thinking? Like, what colours for you? Is it going to be one of the product red ones? Is it going to be maybe just your kind of classic, like black or white? Or are you going to go for one of the more metallic-y ones on the Pro? Let me know what you think. I have went for the gold colour. Now I just want to quickly kind of bring in the others in the range so you guys can see the size comparison, because that's one of our main asked questions. So let's have a look. We've got the 12 Pro, which is in Pacific Blue. Now this is one that people have absolutely been loving. It's one of the most popular. So let's move this over. I'll just spin them all around this way so you guys can see. So that's the difference between like the kind of 12 Pro and Pro Max. It is a little bit bigger. And then we've got the 12 here. So this is in mint green, which has again been a super popular one. And you'll see just here. Now, so we've got mini, we've got 12, we've got 12 Pro, and then we've got 12 Pro Max. How nice is that lineup? I absolutely love it. I think if you guys are looking for any kind of amazing camera spec, great processor, good battery life, any of these would be great for you. But obviously there's something that's really versatile about the range, and I think you'll really find one that will suit your needs regardless of what that is. So if you do want to get your hands on those, make sure you jump over to our website. The link's in down below, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this demo. So if you do want to see us kind of talk a little bit more about the Pro and the regular iPhone 12, then jump over to our YouTube channel. You'll be able to see that on there. And we also have a full demo of the iOS 14 software as well, which is pre-installed in these devices. So hopefully you guys loved that demo. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.
2020, scroll, 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 calls, 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 calls. In my dirty screen, quiz, quiz, cringe, cringe, battery running low. Work, 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 while she's working on my time. Who is this laughing baby?
Your phone's seen a lot this year. Find a new one with Three's online experts.